Live look at 32nd Avenue and I-29 from our Luther Family Ford view. It's a cloudy day, and we from time to time have seen a few flurries drifting through the skies here in the FM area. Look at our current conditions out at Hector, showing those 30s settling in for the evening hours at 38 degrees. Feels like 29 with that wind that is over 15 miles per hour. It is from the west. 32 this hour in Cavalier, 33 Devils Lake, and 34 for Valley City. And we have a lot of low to mid 30s across western and central Minnesota. The cool spot 31 in Baudette at this hour. Hit and miss showers of snow. They're most pronounced along the international border as that northwest flow continues through the evening. Elsewhere, we just have really just renegade flurries of snow from time to time passing across. These are all wrapping around the backside of an area of low pressure that is very slow to go right here. And because of that, we're not expecting any rapid changes in our forecast heading into your weekend. And as we take a look at the clear skies, we have to look all the way out into western and central Montana before we see any clear skies. And say this cold air has made its way all the way down into the deep south where you see these purple and blue counties. We have frost advisories and freeze warnings in effect for the deep south as that cold air mass has now pushed offshore into the Gulf and into the Atlantic. For us, the northwest flow continues this evening, passing flurries of snow with no accumulation likely, and temperatures that will be slipping down towards 30 degrees at the 10 o'clock hour on your Friday night. Saturday morning, rise and shine, temperatures still near 30 degrees, so we don't change much. The wind should take a little bit of a reprieve during the overnight hours, and we will have a lot of clouds across the region. Heading through the first half of your Saturday, we will only slowly warm up modestly with temperatures that will start pushing into those mid-30s and even upper 30s by the afternoon. And there is a chance, Hutches say, of seeing some breaking up of these clouds, particularly in our far western and southwestern counties, anywhere from Lisbon and Lemoore through Jamestown and on up towards Maddock and Devils Lake. You may see some late-day sunshine heading into your Saturday. Then as we head into the evening, those clouds will be fairly quick to return for many of us as we go into our Sunday. So a temperature to start your day near 30, ramping it up to near 40. Once again, our wind not as strong, and it'll be from the west or even southwest late in the day at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Thanks to that little bit of a wind shift, we'll see another chance at low 40s in southeast North Dakota, western Minnesota in those low to mid 30s for most, 38 Grand Forks and 38 for Devils Lake, with the best chance of any sun in the west. How about the second day of your weekend? Remember, after turning your clocks back an hour, we start out, with a lot of clouds out there, and the first part of the day not looking too bad. But as we go through the day, the clouds build back in, even with a chance of flakes in our far western counties. So unsettled throughout the weekend with little change. Lake Ida at sunrise looking good. Rick, thank you so much for uploading your photo at valleynewslive.com. Here's a look at your planning forecast. So the weekend pretty much the same both days. Again, a reminder to allow those clocks to fall back Saturday night into Sunday. The cold weather sticks around, and we do have a chance of snow, you too, but it looks very light. We don't have any soggy soaking systems working through, but the cold sure sticks around with highs in the 20s on Thursday. That might be an earmuff kind of a day.
Yeah, it sure looks like it, doesn't it?
Yes.
Thanks, Hutch.